It's May 1st, 2018. We're at 2113 Greenleaf, and we're getting ready to start installing the exterior sunscreen. We got Hubert and Chris here, and they're going to tell you what they got, this monstrosity behind them. Go ahead, guys.
Alright, so the welders showed up yesterday with all the pieces for our screens over here, but they had to cut them down in the shop because they wouldn't fit on the truck.
Right, so this is what came off the truck. There's 2 or 3 pieces here.
Yeah, why don't you jump closer right?
Oh yeah, right.
See how they spliced the whole screen in half this way, and there's another splice further down over there, which you probably can't see from here.
No, I got it,
But anyway, so the welders are getting ready to put all this back together as it was in the shop. And I am going over the layout, and I'm going to start drilling all the holes in this screen over here.
Yeah, this guy's ready to go.
Yeah, this guy is ready to go. We have to still drill out the holes, and then we're going to hang it. We're waiting for our crane to show up. Hopefully it shows up today.
Right, now the holes Chris is talking about are the holes for these outriggers that already have been spliced per our CAD drawings.
Earlier,
and they're cut on the proper angle.
Yep.
And everything's measured out, and hopefully it'll go together.
It will.
Easily.
So that's what's going on. That's what we're up to.
Now,
today.
what are these rectangular tubes here?
Well, this is all aluminum. The whole screen is made out of aluminum. So the sheets are 1/8 inch thick sheets are going to go on top of it. The actual screen is upside down right now.
Right, now some of them are perforated aluminum like we used over at my house.
Yep.
And then some of it is solid members,
yeah.
So we got a nice little pattern going on here.
Yeah. And also we got to cut those out once the screen is up.
So there's a lot of field work because it just would have gotten too heavy to
lift it up as well.
Yeah, to take it off the truck.
Exactly.
Okay, Hubert, you got to say something here.
There's going to be a lot of precision measurements because one hole is going to be drilled bad and we're going to have a problem. So everything needs to be measured right, and hopefully it's going to go smooth through that aluminum pipe, which is going to be tricky because it's round pipe.
Right, square peg in a round hole, or a round peg in a square hole, or something like that. Anyhow, though, the guys put these up months ago. These outriggers were placed perfectly on the existing steel structure that's now been skinned with a synthetic plaster. And believe it or not, when Matt went through and compared the field measurements with what we drew, everything was installed spot on, which makes things much easier.
Out in the field,
Measure twice, cut once. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the crane this afternoon, and hopefully we get this sucker up today on the 1st.
Yep.
Thank you.